How you guys doing? Back with a brand new legacy update and review. Just wanted to go over and show you guys how the plan works, what it has to offer, and show you how you get daily. This is today's actual action plan video, day 45 of our 90-day run inside of the digital growth community. Now, every day Michelle gives you a video to put into action so you have daily content. And today was the webinar strategy. And with the webinar strategy is to help you close sales. So if you're not good at closing sales, you're not good at presenting the opportunities that you may have want to join or get into within this community, they have webinars every week. So within the webinar, they break down what's going on inside of the community. First of all, they break down what is digital marketing and how you can use it to your favor to make money, real money online with digital marketing. And then it goes into the nuts and bolts of what's in the legacy program, how it works, and how it can benefit you, whether it's your own company, whether it's a brick and mortar or another online venture that you're into and you need help promoting that opportunity. That's what they give here, guidance and stuff in the background. And so, yeah, the webinar strategy is definitely a good one. It's a way to get people to see what's going on behind the scenes and ultimately come and purchase from you. They do a call to action at the end and let people know that you've invited to the webinar. That's totally 100% free. How to get access to what they've seen in the webinar if they want to join. So I'm gonna take you over and we'll just go through what's in the Legacy Builder program, everything you need to have a successful online business, plus live interaction mentor. So you never alone. You're on your journey. You never alone. It's always not hand holding, but you have someone there to be able to reach out to and get quick answers today, not within weeks and months. And it's all included in the one-time packet. So you're not paying extra for mentors. She's made $1 million online already within 17 months. So she's giving you all the she's not holding back. There's no gatekeeping within the digital growth community and the launch and what Michelle is doing with the Legacy Builder program. So what's included, you have four digital product based packages that you can start off with, which is the launch pad, which is a lower tier conversation plan. And what you're going to get in there is how to automate your online business for time freedom, set up your social media, how to use social media to attract those who want your opportunity or whatever existing business that you have, how to post free ads on high intended traffic lines, grow a following on social media, complete setup system and IO. You get a fully done for you um, system funnel, which we're inside of right now. So you'll have a fully done for you operating system funnel if you're not tech savvy. Even if you do know how to use a computer, they do have a monthly tech setup Zoom every week that will help you with that. And they have the $300 passive daily blueprint. You're gonna get 100 how to make 100% profit from other people's products, find your ideal customer, marketing strategies with social media and video content, building a strong brand identity, discovery method, attracting customers. Then you got the digital mastery, where you get a six-figure in 6 months. You're gonna get 6 lessons on how to build 6 figures in 6 months, how to build recurring income streams, affiliate marketing partnerships, email marketing list building, and how to use ChatGPT to get up to 10x your productivity. And then you have the legacy builder here within the Legacy Builder, you're going to learn how to create your own digital product and programs, preparing for course creation, launch your course and program, scale your business, become a DG, a digital growth mentor affiliate, and earn money, how to create a community in school. There's so much more, and then you're going to have bonuses. Within the bonus, you have your Canva crash course, 1 million 16-month blueprint, and inside the digital growth, we have a faceless brand, 30-day marketing strategy, how to start your online business with MRR products. Guys, there's so much to offer here. If you want to see how much value and how much they have to offer, I do have my link in the description below. You can visit the link in the description to check out how much value they have. And if you want to be part of a winning community, take you over into the community. Just 9 hours ago, Jenna Stone says 39.6 for May, 5,004, and I am mind blown. This is not time for play small. Put everything else to the side and focus. 2 days ago, look advanced, 5,400 in my first week. It sounds cheesy, but it is what I have been looking for my entire business career. If we go down here 2 hours ago, $100 ding, I'm alive. We go down right here, 300 while having coffee from Blenda. Danielle, $300 ding. Stay in the game and just set consistency and stay in the game. It's easy but overwhelming and frustrating when it feels like it's not happening, but I promise you stay. So people giving encouragement in here. 6 weeks in, 33,800 made. This is life-changing money. 6 weeks ago, I couldn't get gas and groceries without checking my account, and was worried about not having gas. Guys, this is a life-changing opportunity. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Go into the description, put your email, and you're going to get a video from our mentor, Michelle, and she's going to give you all the details on how to get started with the Legacy Builders program. That's one, and I'll get with you guys later.